Chapter 2 continues. Next, activity 2.4. Let's insert header and footer. In our textbook page, you can see footers like this. The page number and textbook name is given as footer here. We can also include header and footer in our LibreOffice Writer page also. For that, first click on the header tab of the page style window. Then put a tick mark in the header on option and click OK. First open our document in LibreOffice Writer. Click in the insert menu, then select header. To insert page number, select insert, then field, then page number. Now page number is included in our page. To make it center of the page, select center option. We can see next page number is automatically inserted. Now to insert footer, select insert, then footer option, then default style. Now you can type the footer here. We are pasting the heading itself. You can see in all pages the footer is inserted automatically. Now resize the text and align it to left. Now the changes automatically made in every page. Next activity 2.5. Let's arrange in columns. We can arrange the content of the page in many columns. For that, click on the columns tab of page style window. Provide the number of columns required in the columns seen in settings. Then adjust the width and spacing using the width and spacing option. You can see the content is arranged in 2 columns here. Open our document in LibreOffice Writer. We have to arrange this content in different columns. For that, select format, then page. In the page style window, you can see a tab columns. In the settings, number of columns option is there. You can select 2, 3 or 4. We have selected number of columns as 2. Now our content is arranged in 2 columns. We can set the space between 2 columns. For that, again take the page style window, then take the option width and spacing. Remove the check mark in auto width. Then set the required width and spacing. Now you can see the spacing between 2 columns is increased. Now we have arranged our content in 3 columns and spacing is adjusted. can see the spacing between three columns. Activity 2.6, when pictures are inserted. We can insert picture in our page by using the Insert Image tool in the menu bar. Open our page in LibreOffice Writer. In the page style window, select area. Then in import graphic, you can select images. Now a picture is set as background of the page. Now we are going to insert an image. For that, select the image button. Then select suitable image from school resources folder. Now image is inserted in our page. We can drag in the green button to resize the image. Right click on the image, then select wrap. You can set the text wrap by using the wrap option. By selecting wrap after, then set alignment as center. Next, activity 2.7, let's insert a table. We can insert a table in our page by using Insert Table tool in the toolbar. Open our document in LibreOffice Writer. Then click in the Insert Table in toolbar. You can choose required number of rows and columns here. We have inserted a 3x2 column, 3x2 table, 3 columns and 2 rows. We can insert a row above by using the table menu in the menu bar. Insert columns left, then one column is added in the left. Now select the first 4 cells, then select merge cell option. You can see the 4 cells are merged into a single one. Now one more row is inserted. Now we have inserted details in our table. We can adjust the size of each cell by dragging the line. Drag the border of the cell to adjust the size. Last activity in this chapter is let's convert and export as PDF. We can convert our ODT file into a PDF file. Export as option is there to export the file. In the Range tab from the window that opens, select whether you want to convert all the pages into PDF or only a few pages, then click on Export button. Again open our document, then click File, Export as PDF. You can see the PDF options window. Select the range. Now give suitable file name for our PDF file. Then click Save. Then check whether our PDF file is saved there. Open our folder. Then you can see w1.pdf. Our document is saved as a PDF file.